United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, Article 79, Submarine Cables and Pipelines on the Continental Shelf, 1. All states are entitled to lay submarine cables and pipelines on the continental shelf, in accordance with the provisions of this article. 2. Subject to its right to take reasonable measures for the exploration of the continental shelf, the exploitation of its natural resources, and the prevention, reduction, and control of pollution from pipelines, the coastal state may not impede the laying or maintenance of such cables or pipelines. 3. The delineation of the course for the laying of such pipelines on the continental shelf is subject to the consent of the coastal state. 4. Nothing in this part affects the right of the coastal state to establish conditions for cables or pipelines entering its territory, or territorial sea, or its jurisdiction, over cables and pipelines constructed or used in connection with the exploration of its continental shelf, or exploitation of its resources, or the operations of artificial islands, installations and structures under its jurisdiction. 5. When laying submarine cables or pipelines, states shall have due regard to cables or pipelines already in position. In particular, possibilities of repairing existing cables or pipelines shall not be prejudiced.